Hey friends, I'm not even sure that I am live right now. It is Megan Elizabeth, and I'm actually coming to you guys in a little bit of a, of a panic, and definitely from an emotional place because something has happened to my Facebook tonight. Um, I verified something, really thought I was doing the right thing, and my Facebook is now listing a brand new page owner. My personal account is no longer able to, um, is no longer the moderator of the page, is no longer listed as an administrator for the page, is no longer on the page, and I cannot re-add myself. Nate is still listed on the page as a moderator. Um, and that's how I'm able to be live with you guys right now. I don't know what's happening. I've put in all the fraud and report requests and everything that I possibly can with Facebook. So hopefully we'll regain control. Obviously I'm live right now. But I don't know what's happening. So while I have the ability and the control, and this is a very panicky type post, I'm sitting here like a mess. Um, just saying, if something crazy starts happening, it's not me, first of all. If things start showing up on the feed as me, it's not me. I don't know if I need to close down this page. I am not exactly sure what to do, but with more than 26,000 followers on here, I am going to suggest and ask that you guys continue to follow. I know I have full control over at facebook.com/she makes club. That is a page, that is not the group. I put that in the description in the comments. I will put it in something else, hopefully. I'm really kind of panicking. So I know that sounds a little bit ridiculous. Nate keeps telling me to calm down. It's going to be okay. We're going to figure it out. But I also know that once things happen in Facebook world and you're no longer an owner or an administrator or a moderator or anything, that suddenly other things can start popping up. So somebody else has gained access to become the owner of this account. I'm not sure how, but I would just suggest, if things start happening, go follow or start following the She Makes Club page, business page. There is a She Makes Club page, and I can at least post from there until this gets completely figured out, if I'm not able to post suddenly out of the blue. Um, Again, I know this seems very odd. It is very odd. It's a very strange thing. I don't really understand completely. Um, I don't really understand completely what has happened. Nate does not understand completely what has happened. I really would absolutely just be sick to rebuild this entire page. But if that's what we need to do, then that's what we need to do. Somebody else took over this ownership, and I don't know how. Nobody has my password. I am very diligent with all of this stuff. Um, I don't even know. I don't even have words right now. I've been dealing with this for a couple hours, but while I still had it pulled up and was able to hit the go live button, um, Megan Elizabeth, the person, cannot access Megan Elizabeth, the business page. Only Nate can. So that's what I'm doing and using right now, and hopefully we can figure out how to regain control. But if not, we still have YouTube. We still have shemakes.club, the website. There's still bymeganelizabeth.com. There's still Instagram. So I don't know. I just feel kind of sick about this right now. I see a lot of people joining us tonight, so I'm really glad that I labeled this as a huge mistake. I don't know that it's necessarily a huge mistake, but a huge hack issue. What's the word? I can't even find my words right now. Blunder. It's nauseating, to say the least. I'm very, very, very overwhelmed, and just really praying that we can regain control of this page that I've worked very hard. But this goes to show and to say, I've talked about in business coaching for a long time, don't build your entire business on borrowed land. And Facebook and YouTube and all of these things that are awesome to help us with our business are borrowed land. And Facebook can be shut down at any time. But I'm hoping to be able to get ahead of it and let you know where I'm going to be, where to follow. I think many of you that have followed for a long time know. I still have an active email subscription. I own that. So if you want to be in contact with me, you can be in contact with me through email. And a lot of other things. So hopefully we'll get control of this page. If not, I don't, it is what it is, right? I mean, I don't know what else we can really say about it. I'm just kind of freaking out about it. I'm,
Try our best to keep.
yeah, I mean, that's really it. I'm like picking at this because I'm getting all anxious and everything else.
Well, hopefully, Facebook gets back to us
Yeah,
or
I mean,
somebody.
hopefully Facebook tech supports somebody. I sent messages to everybody and anybody in the Facebook world that I could, through the business manager, through the ad manager, through tech support, through Messenger, like literally everything that I could possibly think. If anybody knows or has had this happen or has heard of this happening, um, let me know. It blows my mind that, like, in an instant I'm suddenly gone from my own page. Um, and there's a new owner listed, and it was listed as social marketing. And then I got the notification that somebody named Sam's, SAMS, Kagiso, Kagiso, is who took it over. So I have no idea who this person is. Reported them, reported the account, giving you that information so that, maybe it's something you can watch out for also. Hey Teresa, hey Julie, hey Debbie. Guys, Rhonda, hello. Hi Lee. Uh Thank you, Lee. Um so yeah, I would just say go follow that other page, because I don't know that this page or how long this page is going to be around, if it will be around, or if weird things start popping up. I really want you to know it's not me. It's not me. Um if it's not about QVC and Aaron Condren and Cricket and my family, it's probably not me. I mean, I don't really know. I'll just keep reporting what I can and do what I can, and hopefully Facebook will get it resolved, and I will regain control of this amazing community of nearly 28,000 followers and subscribers to this channel. But if not, come over to YouTube. Please come over to YouTube. Come over to the other Facebook page that is set up. It's a She Makes Club page. That was meant to be just specifically for She Makes Club things, and I never really did a whole lot with it because it's just life busy, managing too many accounts, and I just kept all the She Makes stuff and the QVC stuff and my stuff and life stuff all on this page because we've had such an amazing community for so many years here. 2020 does need to be over. Amen to that. I don't even have a problem saying that right now. Yes, Angela, it is a mess. I'm very emotional about it. Because I love connecting with you guys. I love being able to come on and share what's going on in my life and be able to encourage you in your life and pray for you and pray with you and um, share what's happening, share what's exciting. I just got an amazingly beautiful message the other day from somebody that said they watched one of my Aaron Condren videos and it really helped change things for them. And that's amazing. It's amazing. So, for those just joining, I'm seeing people ask what's going on. I'm not entirely sure, but something happened tonight where somebody named Sam's Kagiso, Kagiso, has taken over the ownership of this page, of the Above Rubies by Megan Elizabeth page. This is a page that I've had and started from the beginning. Megan Elizabeth, the personal profile friend page that started this account way back in 2009, I think it was 2008. I don't even know when I started this page, to be honest with you. I've always been the owner of it. I've always had full control. I was the administrator of it, and it's all gone. So I'm able to go live with you guys through Nate still being an added administrator. We're trying to get control back. It will not let him change it. It will not let this, like, Nate's account change me back to being admin. It won't even let me be an admin anymore. So we've reported it to Facebook. We've reported it. We reported the profile. We report like everything that we can do. And we're just waiting on Facebook right now. I don't know if they're holding it for ransom. Right? I mean, I don't know. I've heard of this happening before to people. Somebody else said that too. Um, I'm devastated, to be honest with you, but that's why, we do have different ways of being in touch. And just as a reminder, if I do go away or if you do see things that are not typical Megan, if it's not about QVC, Aaron Condren, Cricket, scrapbooking, or my family, it's not me. It's not me. So I just want you to know that, and hopefully you'll come follow me or find me on Instagram, or I don't even know if you'll be able to find me on Instagram because my Instagram and this page are linked. I didn't even think about that until just this second. I have my websites by meganelizabeth.com. I have the She Makes Club. That is a totally owned by me platform. So it's a place to get off of Facebook. If you're really looking for a place to get off of Facebook and find creative inspiration and fun and Cricut ideas and really just everything about crafting, making, and enjoying your life, come visit the shemakes.club website. Get access to that exclusive portal, that own platform that nobody else has control over except me, for real. And we'll just keep plugging away at 2020 and seeing if we can figure this out. But I did want to go live as quickly as possible. I'm using literally my webcam. I'm not even using an iPhone. I just really want it, like, while we had the ability to hit the go live button, I literally just wanted to hit go live and let people know what's happening. And hopefully this video stays up and it gets figured out and we'll all be good. I wish I knew why. I wish I knew why. I wish I knew why. Yes, please report it if you see weird stuff. I don't even know. I would say get in touch with me. Go through the She Makes Club page, the She Makes Club Facebook page. There's a She Makes Club group. I mean, there's so many different avenues here. This is the page, the business page, the community that I have spent more than 10 years pouring my heart and soul into to really build up and share everything in life. So I really would be so sad to see it just disappear. But we've talked about it a million times. I've talked about it in coaching. It is borrowed land. Social media is not, you don't have full control. You've never have full control. You have control in things like emails. You have control in things like building your own websites when you build them properly. And beyond that, we just hope and pray and we keep building this community the best we can and spread the word. And if you see anything weird, hopefully you'll be able to say, hey, we know this isn't Megan, comment on it. Comment on it, say, we know this isn't Megan, we know Megan's been hacked, we know Megan's been whatever, because I feel like this could quickly ruin any reputation or things that I have built. And knowing how delicate the climate of social media is right now, I feel like one post could really destroy everything. And I would hate to see that happen, especially when I don't have the control in it and it's not me or wouldn't be me posting anything. It's scary right now to me. It's very scary to me. So I'm not going to keep rambling on and on. It is like my baby. This Above Rubies has been one of my babies that came right at the time in between my babies being born. I started Above Rubies Studio while I had a newborn. I was in postpartum depression and being pregnant. And that's what Above Rubies Studio started out of. And now here we are. Benson's just a few short days away from turning 13. Jenna will be 12 this year. And you guys a lot of you have been along for the entire journey and ride through my divorce, through Graydon, through my amazing marriage now with Nate. So, we know that ultimately God's got all of this. He's still in control, even though I may not be in control of this page anymore, and I just can do what I can do. So I'm trying to keep that perspective, even though I've been crying and, to be frank, cursing a lot tonight, trying to figure this all out and fix it and make it right. But uh, yes, thank you, Deanna. Um, I really hope it gets fixed too. We've done a lot of shifts and changes and morphs through the years, from all cricket to a little bit of other fun in life and makeup and creating, to the wonderful journey that HSN and QVC has brought our way, to continuing to just enjoy crafting and making together in the She Makes Club. So I really hope that, this is a channel that can continue on, because I enjoy it. I enjoy being able to just come on live and chat. And you can, but it's not the same doing that, um, on YouTube or other places. It's special being here. So, Lord willing, it'll be able to continue. We'll be able to figure it out. All right. So I will. I guess I'm gonna go because I'm just gonna ramble and keep saying the same thing. I'll let people watch the replay to see what's going on, and I guess have a really really great night, and we'll see you soon. Bye.